Dear respected parents and lovely children of our school, good morning to all of you. Today, 15 April 2020, subject computer, class 5. Chapter 1, evolution of computer. Okay. Now, I am going to explain some words of these chapters. Early calculating device. Okay. Early in ancient times, first time which machine is developed for calculating, these called early calculating device. Abacus was the first calculating device. Okay. Mechanical device is used to calculate countings by merchants, definite, निश्चित. Okay. In abacus, there were a definite numbers of counting in this machine. Heaven, Swarg. Okay. Earth, we know that our planet is called Earth. Merchant is Saudagar. Okay. Who trade one country to another country, these persons are called merchants. That is like traders, whose people trade one country to another country. These types of people called traders. Invention, aviskar, many scientists invention nowadays, many types of instruments. Okay. Machine, now we know that there are many types of machine we use in our house and schools. Now come to the homeworks. Write and remember given words and read page number 5. Okay. Come to the chapter. I have explained the first paragraph previous classes. Now come to the second paragraph. Okay. Early calculating device. Okay. In early time, in ancient times, people used to use finger, only stone, pathars, and bones, haddi, for calculation. Calculation means ganna karna. In early time, people has no counting numbers, so they use their fingers, stones, and bones for calculation. They were very difficult to count the numbers, so abacus was the first mechanical device. Okay. Abacus was the first mechanical device used for calculation. Okay. Abacus was the first mechanical device used for calculation. It was developed in China. Where? Abacus was developed in China more than 5,000 years ago. Abacus was developed in China more than 5,000 years ago. It was made of wooden frame. It was made of wooden. In given these pictures, and there is wooden frames. Yeah. Wooden frames is rods. Each rod has definite number of widths. Each rods has definite निश्चित okay, definite number of widths. Okay. These are called widths. Abacus frame was divided into two parts. Abacus frames were divided into two parts: heaven and earth. Heaven and earth. Heaven means Swarg and earth. Okay. Each rod has heaven had two widths. Each rod in heaven had two widths and earth had 5 bits in each rods. Okay. In abacus was mainly used by merchants. This machine abacus was used by merchants, व्यापारी, and traders who trade one country to another country. They used to count lots of number, so they use abacus. Who need to count in the item sold or bought? They need to count what he has sold and what he bought. Okay. It was also used for addition. The abacus was used for addition. Okay. Subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. Abacus was also used for addition, जोड़, subtraction, घटाओ, multiplication, गुणा, and division, भाग. Okay. Further development lead to the invention of different machine for calculation. Further, उसके बाद development lead to invention. Okay. The development of mechanical developments, different machine for calculation. Nowadays we have many types of machine to calculation. We have numbers, so it is easy to calculate now. Okay. Thanks for watching. Now come to